Hello guys, I hope you enjoyed our last previous video. Welcome again to Unleashed YouTube channel. So now in today's video, we are going to write the code for left align the decreased triangle. So this means you are going to write the first video was increased, now it is decreased triangle. So it is left aligned decreased triangle. So let's create a new file and call it decreased triangle. So now this is pattern number three. So now here we are going to loop from 5 to 1, not like the first one where I was looping from 1 to 6. So now let us start for I in range let it use 5 and 0, and here we use 1. So now let's use for J in range just in range of I, but let's remove this. Let's remove these errors for J. So now let it print. So this line is for print is equal to the current low number. So now we are going to print a star without a new line. So we'll use double quote star and use this and empty double quote. So now we are going to print, move to the next line, print. So I think now it's okay. Ready to print this. Nothing. What is the issue? Guys, let us check. So here we have it use minus. Let me see. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is decreasing from 5 to 1. And here, let's run this triangle. It is from 1 up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here, it is from 5 to 1. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, do subscribe. I hope you are enjoying it. Thank you guys.